In this video, I will create an app icon. Let's choose 1920 into 1080 format for the canvas. But for the app icon, I will choose 1024 into 1024 pixel size. I want a dark background for my icon. Okay, let's choose an elliptical square of 1024 into 1024 with radius of 250 pixels. Well, I think the background should be more dark. As I am creating the icon for a camera-based application, so I want a very light texture for the body that should look pretty much like a camera. I have chosen a pattern for the texture. Now I need to give it a gradient overlay. I'll go for a brownish shade and make it a bit transparent so that the texture comes out perfectly. Now it's time to make the lens. So let me make a circle object over there. For this object, I will use a silver gradient, and then I will copy this object and make it smaller and paste over it for several times, and I will use a dark radial gradient for them. I have made two flare type of objects with pink and purple shade for detailing, and now I will copy one dark circle and I'll move it to the top of the layers and I'll make it white. Then I'll rasterize it, then I will use a blurry eraser to make it a cool light reflection. To make it more glossy, you can use the selection tool and cut the lower portion of the white light. I'm making the lights more transparent, but it's up to you. You may want a more solid look or a more transparent look for both the white light and color flares. Let's add some more detailing by a blurry brush with the color white in a separate layer. Okay, this is a full-sized icon. If you want the full size, cut the background and crop it to the perfect size, then save it as a PNG file. I want to make a smaller preview for a presentation purpose. I'll do it with a backup, although it's in a vector format till now. It's not always necessary that you make a vector app icon, but I like vector. Let's make a black shadow for it by the blurry brush tool with the color black in a separate layer. Don't worry, I will move the layer to back.